FINRA panel sounds alarm on AI-powered crypto scams targeting retail investors. FINRA. Fraud. Regulation. As AI-driven scams and impersonation tactics escalate, FINRA stated that fraud prevention is becoming a multi-departmental challenge, with experts pointing to crypto-related losses as a growing test case for how financial institutions adapt to digital deception. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a crypto and tech reporter. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX, Huobi Global, Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 18, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. At the 2025 FINRA Annual Conference, regulators and industry professionals gathered to discuss how financial fraud schemes, especially those involving crypto, are evolving in scale and sophistication. The session, titled Mitigating Impacts of Fraud and Scams Targeting Customers, featured Christine Kiefer, Senior Director of Investor Education at FINRA, Brooks Brown, Senior Director at FINRA's High-Risk Registered Representative Unit, Tara Ambrose, Senior Financial Fraud Ombudsperson at the Minnesota Department of Commerce, and Bismarck Prado, Director of Fraud and Senior Investor Protection at Commonwealth Financial Network. FINRA panel details rise of AI-driven crypto scams. Kiefer opened by noting the growing complexity of fraud threats and the increasing overlap between investment fraud and crypto scams. She cited FTC data showing $5.7 billion in 2024 investment fraud complaints. They can take complaints through the BBD scam tracker, and across all age groups, investment and cryptocurrency scams are in the top 3, she said. Ambrose described how many frauds begin with tech support scams. Fake antivirus pop-ups prompt victims to call a number, leading to an elaborate ruse involving phony bank fraud agents. They all seem to end at the government agencies, but they start sometimes at the pop-up, she stated. Prado detailed impersonation scams that manipulate victims through staged calls, allegedly from companies like Walmart or the FTC. According to Prado, the fraudsters ask victims to stay on the phone, drive to Bitcoin ATMs, and deposit funds. The victims are also told not to tell anyone, while the scammers create urgency by claiming the victim's identity is tied to criminal activity. Brooks Brown emphasized how new tools are changing scam tactics. You're not seeing those punctuation errors, he said, pointing to AI-generated phishing materials and deepfake videos. Scheme techniques are just that much more effective because of the proliferation of the toolkits and AI applied on top of it. Preventing fraud requires cross-industry response. Panelists emphasized that these scams are not limited to seniors. Ambrose noted that midlife professionals, entrepreneurs, and tech-savvy investors are often among the hardest hit. The biggest losses I've seen in my current role at my past firm involved cryptocurrency investments, she said. They already were sophisticated investors, and somehow they got convinced to move money out of a legitimate crypto wallet into a specialized trading platform that was fake. And so they were doing the trades. They thought they were earning money. To combat such threats, the panel recommended proactive strategies. Brown urged firms to utilize FINRA Rule 2165, which allows temporary holds on suspicious account activity. He also pointed to the FINRA Securities Helpline for Seniors, which has helped recover over $9 million since its launch without opening formal investigations. As fraud tactics become more technologically advanced, traditional safeguards are losing ground. Real-time interventions are now essential as scammers exploit tools like AI-generated personas and decentralized platforms to bypass institutional checks. The panel stressed that financial crime prevention can no longer sit solely with compliance teams. It now requires coordination across fraud detection, client services, tech platforms, and even telecom providers. Frequently asked questions FAQ. What role do telecom providers play in scam prevention? Many frauds rely on real-time communication, such as phone calls and text messages. Telecom providers can help identify spoofed numbers, block known scam calls, and support law enforcement investigations. How can mid-sized firms without advanced fraud teams respond effectively? Smaller firms are encouraged to use smart friction tactics such as additional verifications before crypto withdrawals and provide clear client alerts. They can also partner with third-party monitoring services that flag unusual behavior. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Should you sell XRP in May? Here's what analysts expect next for Ripple. May 1st, 2025. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? May 10th, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 6 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By NSS Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By NSS Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.